important to actually understand a little bit about how it works, because to Tobias's point, like in some ways, this is the beauty and the challenge of B2B, right? It's different depending on who your customer is. And intent data, what we're doing is we are identifying companies on the fly as they browse the internet, and we look at their activity just like we would look at activity on your own websites to predict, based on this surge, this increase in activity, they are clearly giving attention to a particular topic. And if there's one thing that, if you think about your day to day and what you do, if you are spending time on a particular problem, you're doing that intentionally. You don't randomly pick up, research tasks to go and look at in the work sense. And so that's what intent data is about. Now, but as Tobias was saying, is that you can only really identify companies that are, I guess, mid-sized and above. So maybe that's as small as 100 or so employees, but certainly the larger the company, the more activity you can see, the more easy it is for you to identify, and the more easy it is to then say, well, look, this person is looking at not just this single topic. Because when you research, you don't research a single topic, you research that topic, the topic next to it, another topic next to it. And when you see that level of research, that's a really big indicator that you should be having a conversation. At the same time, though, it is, what intent data does is it tells you everybody across the spectrum, right? So you're catching everybody who's towards the end of the buying cycle. They're ready to talk to vendors, they're ready to have a conversation, but you're also catching people, that 6 months out, 12 months out, where they're just starting to research and just starting to understand. And so, yeah, you do need to nurture and build.